question 27. It says that from the following information, compute the value of goodwill of Mahesh and Naresh firm at 3 years purchase of weighted average profit on the basis of last 5 years. So here is given, profit is given. We will find weight and your weighted profit. That is nothing but the product. That is nothing but the product of weight and profit. Okay, basically what is the formula? Let's first write down. Weighted average profit is equal to weighted profit, total weighted profit upon total weight. And then goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years purchase. Okay, so let's quickly write down. Okay, sorry, 2018, 19, 8, 12, 14, 16, 17. Total weight is your 15. 8, 24,000, 42,000, 64,000, 85,000. Total that comes to 14,866.666. Into numbers of years purchase given is 3 years purchase into 3. So that comes to 44,599.999, making a round figure. 44,600 is your goodwill. Next question is 28. Profit loss statement of New India Limited for the year ending on 31st March 2016-17 are as follows. On the basis of that, prepare comparative profit loss statement. Summarize profit loss statement is given for the 2 years 2016 and 2017 का दिया हुआ है. Sales revenue, other income, expenses दिए हुए हैं. Income tax rate is 30% given. Okay. So first we have sales revenue, other income, total revenue, that is your first plus second. Then we have expenses, then we have profit before tax less provision for tax, that is given at 30%, and profit after tax. So 16-17, 7 lakh becomes to 8 lakh. Other income 125 becomes 1,50,000. Expenses 3,60,000. Changes to 4,80,000. So 7 to 8 lakh अमाउंट में इंक्रीज कितना हुआ है 1 लाख एंड परसेंटेज इंक्रीज हुआ है 14.28%, 29 भी कर सकता है, okay, 285 है. So here it is increase of 25,000 in amount, that is 20%. No need to write percentage here, is already percentage is written now. So this is your 8,25,000 total revenue. This is your 9,50,000. The increase is of 1,25,000. Divided by 8,25,000. 15.15%. 1,20,000 is the increase here. Divide by 3,60,000, that is 33.33. That is your expenses. So profit before tax is 8,25,000 minus 3,60,000. 465,000. 4,70,000. This is an increase of 5,000. Percentage wise, 1.08, that is 75, rounding to 1.08. Then provision is at 30% tax. So 465,000 into 30%, 139,500. 470,000, 30%, 141,000. This 1,500. 1,500, 139,500 is again 1.08. 465,000 minus 139,500. 470,000 minus 141,000 is 3,29,000. This is 3,500. 3,500 divided by 325. 1.08. So 29 question. Question 29. Information of 2 years XYZ companies as follows. Calculate gross profit ratio. So 2 साल का हमारे पास सेल्स रिटर्न, ओपनिंग स्टॉक, परचेज एक्सपेंस, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक दिया है. एंड वी नो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशियो कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? जीपी अपॉन नेट सेल्स इनटू 100. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कैसे मिलेगा? सेल्स माइनस सीओजीएस. ओके, ascertaining gross profit by preparing income statement. Particulars 2018 rupees, 2019 rupees. So first we will find net sales, that is sales, because यहाँ पे सेल्स रिटर्न भी दिया है तो सेल्स में से सेल्स रिटर्न डिडक्ट करके हमें नेट सेल्स मिलेगा. सो 2018 इज 10,50,000 minus 50,000, 10 lakh. Then we have to find COGS, which will be deducted. Okay, 16 lakh minus 1 lakh gives you 15 lakh. In COGS, purchase, opening stock, purchase expense, closing stock will be deducted from here. So opening stock is 1,40,000 and 1,60,000. Purchases 6 and 8 lakh. Purchases means 30, 40. 30,000 and 40,000. Closing stock is 1,60,000 and 1,50,000. So 7,40,000, 7,70,000. 7,70,000 minus 1,60,000, 6,10,000. 9,60,000, 10,00,000 minus 1,50,000, 8,50,000. ठीक है, हमें COGS को लेस करना है. So we'll get the gross profit here. 10 lakh minus 6,10,000, 3,90,000. 15 lakh minus 8,50,000, 6,50,000. Now how do we find gross profit ratio? The formula is gross profit upon net sales into 100. Okay, so 3,90,000 upon 10 lakh, that comes to 39%. 6,50,000 divided by 15 lakh is 43.33%. 29 का और वाला क्वेश्चन है. From the following information of A company limited, calculate current ratio. What is current ratio? Current assets upon current liabilities. So यहाँ पे current asset में क्या क्या है? Debtors है, बिल रिसीवेबल है, बैड डेट्स रिजर्व है. सो बैड डेट्स रिजर्व हम यहाँ पे माइनस करेंगे बैड डेट्स रिजर्व. बिल्स रिसीवेबल ऐड करेंगे, स्टॉक ऐड करेंगे, कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट will be added. Machinery furniture is your fixed asset. Bills payable, short term loan, outstanding expense, all this will come in denominator. As they are current liabilities, outstanding expense. So 2 lakh minus bad debt reserve is 20,000, that comes to 1,80,000. Plus bills receivable is your 50,000. Bad debts reserve is done. Stock is 30,000. Cash and cash equivalent is 15,000. Bills payable 20,000. Short term loan 80,000. And expenses outstanding 37,500. 1,80,000 plus 50,000 plus 45,000. 2,75,000 divided by 1,37,500. So what's the ratio? 2:1 is the current ratio. 30th question is from the following information of Vidhi Company Limited, calculate cash flow from operating activities. Profit before taxes, goodwill written off, patent amortized, depreciation written off, interest paid, dividend paid, profit on sale of investments, loss on sale of furniture, transfer to general reserve, interest received, dividend received. Okay, so cash flow from operating activities, particulars, amount, rupees. So profit before tax is 1,30,000. Then we're going to add non-cash expenses and provisions. In that we have goodwill written off patent amortize, depreciation written off, transfer to general reserve, loss on sale of furniture, interest paid, dividend paid, less non-operating incomes, interest received, dividend received, profit on sale of investments. Okay, let's write down the amounts. Goodwill written off is 30,000. Patent amortized is 18,000. Depreciation is 30,000. Loss on sale of furniture is 20,000. Transfer to general reserve is 25,000. Interest paid 15, dividend paid 20,000. So this all will be added. Interest received is 15, dividend received is 10,000. Profit on sale of investment is 15,000. This all will be deducted. Okay, so 38, 48,000, 55,000, 55,000. This comes to 1,58,000. Total 2,88,000. 15, 30, 40 will be deducted as it is non-operating income. 2,48,000 will be your cash flow from operating activities. Next is 30 or question. From the following information of Rawl Company Limited, determine cash flow from investing activity. Opening balance of machine, closing balance of machine, book value of machine sold during the year, depreciation provided on machine, selling price of machine is given. So we have to make one machine account. Debit, credit. To balance brought down 9 lakh. Buy balance carried down 8 lakh. Depreciation 1 lakh. Then book value was 50. We sold it for 30. मतलब यहाँ पे लॉस हुआ है by loss on selling. Okay, basically P&L account. So that is going to be your 20,000. And सेल्स किया है कैश. ओके, यहाँ पे P&L अकाउंट लिख दो. हाँ, P&L अकाउंट, P&L अकाउंट. दिस इज योर कैश अकाउंट. कितना मिला? 30,000. ओके, सो लेट्स try to tally and find out the balance. 1,50,000, 9,50,000, 9,50,000. So this is your 50,000 as balance जो डेबिट में आया है. मतलब हमने क्या किया होगा? मशीन टू कैश बैंक अकाउंट. दिस इज नथिंग बट परचेज, राइट? परचेज. यहाँ पे हमने सेल्स किया था. So they are asking us to find the cash flow from investing activity. So cash flow from investing activities. यहाँ पे दो ही एक्टिविटीज हो रही है, सेल ऑफ मशीन एंड परचेज ऑफ मशीन सेल क्या 30 में, परचेज किया 50,000 में, सो 20,000 being your cash outflow from investing activities. Okay, this is your answer. Negative 20,000.